Hey everybody, welcome back. Day 22 of the 30-day Raise My Vibration Challenge, where I want to raise my and your vibration by asking myself the question, how can I serve better? And each day I record my process, the things that I'm thinking about, the things that I want to be doing. And I would love your feedback on everything that I'm sharing, everything that I'm saying, what you think of the idea itself, or if you have other or better ideas. All of that information would be welcome, because I'd really love to start talking more about the things that matter to you, the things that you are wondering in your brain. And in order to do that, I need to know what you're thinking. So share it with me, please. And for day 22, I had the idea of finally doing something with my card deck idea. I have a beautiful idea for a card deck, and I'd love to collaborate with someone to make it happen. And this card deck is all about being 100% yourself, coming back home to yourself, and living your best life, stepping into your genius and doing what you came here to do. And I've already written an outline of my idea, and I also have some idea of what I'd like to see for artwork, but it's still very open. And I love the idea of collaborating with someone on this. So if you are watching this and you feel cold, or if you know people that are into card decks or artwork or things like that, then tag them or share this with them, because I'd love to just get this idea into the world. It feels like it needs to be born. And yeah, I'd love to collaborate. So if this resonates, send me a message, answer a comment below the video, send me an email. I don't care how, but contact me and let's talk. Thanks for watching, and see you again tomorrow.